You put on the camera, you didn't tell me anything, but still. Chibe powder for longer hair growth. Chibe powder, chibe powder. Hey everyone, if you guys want to see how I did this hairstyle, keep watching. Hey everyone, thank you once again for tuning in to another episode of Trini Mom Beauty. Hey! So today I'm going to be doing a natural hairstyle I saw from Naturally Temi. I saw it on her Instagram and I just had to recreate this look. This is basically my interpretation of what she did. I love it. And if you guys want to try it, go right ahead. If you're on Instagram, tag me when you recreate it. I would love to see how it turned out. So to all my returning subscribers, thank you for returning. Yay! And for all of you who are new, I would love to have you join our family and subscribe. So please, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right there and also hit that little notification bell. It will notify you every single time I upload a new video. So without further ado guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so for this hairstyle, all you're going to need is some pins and thingies to put in your hair, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is section out my front parts. So now, really loose braid, and you're going to plait the front going forward like so. Really loose. Right, you don't even have to plait in the ends, and then you're going to come forward like so and lean it back and just stick it at the back of your hair. I don't know if you all can see, but I'm sticking it in the back of my hair, and then I'm going to take one bobby pin and I'm going to secure it right here. So now I'm going to start sectioning my hair into about 4, right? But because I'm not too good at sectioning, I'm going to part down the middle a little bit, and then I'm going to take the comb and I'm going to come down right here, and I'm going to section the other side just the same way. Put the woogie on the side here again. So I'm going to tuck away the rest of my hair. And let's work on this here, which is going to actually be one section. Okay, so this here seems to be getting in the way. So I'm actually going to just put it in a woogie as well, tight, and keep it at bay right there. Get my brush, add a little bit of jam gel. And then take our woogie or the hair scrunchie, put it to the top of your hair like so. Ta-da! Alright, so now I have the top, so I'm going to start sectioning at the middle right here and go straight across. We're going to end up with this. So I'm going to put just a little gel on the sides. Put a woogie. Right, so that's 2. And the last one at the back, same scenario. Put in your... Now that we have this out of the way, we're going to actually work on it. So I'm going to section the hair out in 2, right? Make sure you have your bobby pins waiting. Then I'm going to take my finger here and another finger like so, and I'm going to roll them together and I dropped it right here. You're gonna take your bobby pin, I think it came out, and you're going to secure it neatly. So seeing as I'm having problems securing it, here's what I'm gonna do, because not everything works for everyone, right? I am going to plait the front just a little bit to the front right here, right? 1, 2, like so, right? And then I'm gonna turn it in again and try, right? I have it down, and I'm gonna take the pin and I'm gonna stick it right below here. Alright, and so you're gonna end up with a little muff looking thing right here. So I'm gonna do the same thing at the back here, right? I'm going to give it a little small braid to the ends, like so. And then I'm going to take it with my 2 fingers, roll it down, and stick a bobby pin right there. So now I'm going to do the same thing to the other 2 sides. So I'm going to take my hair in 2, braid the end of 1, this one is going forward. So 1 goes forward, 1 goes backward. This one is the one that's going forward, and I'm going to just roll it down like so, take my pin and stick it. So seeing as this here is not it's gonna be easier for me to do, I'm just gonna twist it like so. Just twist it like this. Put my finger here and wrap it down. Right? And now I'm gonna work on the fronts. It's already been braided, and I'm going to turn to the side. It's braided still, right? So I'm going to bring it back, probably do the same roll technique, and I'm going to pin it down. Now I'm going to puff it up a little. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'm so happy you all made it to the end of this video. Thank you all, and please drop a comment on what type of hairstyles you guys are going to be rocking this season, and tell me how your day was. I've been having an amazing day. I shot like about 3 videos today, so I am happy. So tell me how your day is going. Trendy Mom Beauty is out, guys. Bye.